Hello, loves. Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, and welcome to another Nail Swatch Monday. This time we will be featuring Modelones. They sent over 5 of their gel polishes for me, the top and base coat, as well as a mini LED nail lamp. So if this is something that you guys are interested in seeing me unbox and swatch, baby, stay right there. You know you want to. Oh, and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. This is the Modelones top and base coat. It is a no wipe gel nail polish. Now with these, you will need a UV lamp to cure these with, guys. But let's open up this package and see how it looks. I do have a code. I think it's Tanya. I'll have it down below, but it will save you 10% off. I'll have everything linked in the description box below, guys. So this is how the packaging is looking. Cute packaging. You have the base coat right here. Each bottle contains 10 mLs of product, and then you have the top coat. I will not be using these today. I will be using these when I do a full set for you guys, but today we're just swatching and unboxing. So these we will not put into use, but they're so pretty. Love the packaging. $8.99 for the set. And then the next product is this Sun Mini UV LED lamp right here. And when we open it up, this is what the packaging is looking like. You get a nice little cord right here with the USB port. You do get a little instructions booklet. And this is the UV mini lamp. Isn't that so cute? It is darling. On the bottom here is the lights, and you would open it up just like this. Boom. And so it would connect like in the back right here in that little port, guys. You would just press this button here to turn it on, and that's how it looks underneath. And we're going to use this when we're doing our little nail swatches. So we're gonna set that up. All right, and then our last thing is our polishes. So just like in the last video, I made some labels for each swatch. It has just Modelones and the polish name on it. And I am using the stiletto swatch again. These are the polishes. It's in the bottle, just darling. They have the name right here on the bottom, a nice wooden top with Modelones down the side. So these are the limited wood lid edition gel polish. These retail for $8.99 each. They sent me over 5 colors, which I will swatch for you guys today. These are gel polishes, guys, so you do have to cure them under a UV or professional LED lamp. We're gonna use this little lamp right here today. Oh, the price on this is $16.99, but when I checked the site recently, there was a Mother's Day sale going on. So right now it should be on sale for $8.99, the UV light. So check it out, guys. Use my code, save you 10% off. If you're using a UV lamp, the recommended curing time would be 2 minutes. But if you're using a professional LED lamp, it's recommended that you cure your nails for about 30 to 60 seconds. These polishes can be removed by soaking them in acetone or with Modelones gel polish remover, and that is located on their site. We've done enough talking, guys. Let's get to swatching. I'm ready. Okay, so we're gonna do the shade Hope first. So these polishes can last up to 21 days with proper application. The brush has a dense curve in it that is perfect for beginners or pros. They're highly pigmented, healthy ingredients, and no nasty smell. Oh, and they don't have a nasty smell. I just tested that out. And it's made from natural resin. So let's go ahead and start swatching this one. This is like a nice beigey color. Nice beigey nude. And that is the first shade Hope right there. So I'm gonna stick it under the lamp and we're gonna cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna press it twice. Wait. All right, we're gonna cure that one for 60 seconds. The next shade will be Cocoa Black right there. And I do love a black polish, I do. The handle is a little difficult to maneuver at first, but if you hold it to the side like this, it's easier. And I do love a mini lamp because I'm always on the go, so I could just kind of take it with me and I don't have to worry about carrying around my big, huge, bulky one. All right, and this is Cocoa Black. Next shade is Eldwest. I'm not sure how to say that. I know I'm saying that wrong, guys, but sorry. Oh, and this one is white. Okay. And that's Eldwest. And guys, just so that you know, I am not a professional nail artist. I am just a beginner, and you guys are coming along on this journey with me. We're gonna do Shiny Snowflake next. So, I mean, if you have any suggestions or techniques that you do, let me know, because I'm always down for a good old suggestion. So this is Shiny Snowflake. Ooh, now this is beautiful. This is a shimmery shade, so you're definitely gonna need a base coat of like a whatever color you like, and then this would be a good topper, or you would have to apply a few coats of this one to get it, you know, to, I guess, the color that you would want it to be if you want it darker. But this is beautiful. That is gorgeous. Wow. And then the last shade is 1968. Ooh, beautiful. Ooh, oh, girl, I made a mess already. That is too sad. And there you go, 1968. Okay, loves, so now I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to apply a second coat, and I'm actually going to use the Modelones top coat to show you guys, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how it's looking straight out of the lamp. So I'm gonna add the top coat to it, cure them, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. Don't mind me, I messed up right there, guys. That's my own fault. I'm gonna apply a top coat to this one so you guys can see how the top coat applies. And don't forget, guys, I have that code. Like, if you use it, you get 10% off. You can get you some nice gel polishes, or pick up this LED lamp. So far, I'm loving the colors. Also, this top coat is a little bit on the thicker side, which I do personally love. So yes, I am here for it. I'm gonna go off camera now, finish up with the top coats, and then I will put it in the LED, cure it, and I'll show you guys the final look. So these are the final nail swatches. There are two coats. I actually added another coat to these off camera. I used the top coat from Model 1 on these 4 nails, and I tried to do a little black matte look. I think I over cured it, guys, because it's bubbling up a little bit on the sides, but it is very, very, very pretty. I am loving it, and this one was what I used for the matte top coat. All right, love, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me swatching the Model 1 limited wood edition nail polishes. They are absolutely beautiful. Don't forget, guys, I do have a code that I will put on the screen as well in the description that will save you 10% off. On our next video, we will be doing a full set where I will, you know, practice with polishing. I will show you guys kind of like my whole routine that I use to make my own press-on nails. So yes, guys, please comment down below and let me know your thoughts. And I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next Nail Monday. I love you guys dearly. Bye.